Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another crafty Doodlebug share. So I was inspired by the spring collection, the one that I hauled, and I saw this sticker. And I thought it was super cute. And it would be perfect to make an embellishment bag or box. So here's what I have. This is so tiny. Here's what I have. I just used regular cardstock that I got from Scrapbook Expo, and you can find this at Joann's in their cardstock section because it's textured. And I thought it would be wonderful if it was textured. And then I used a stamp that I hauled from the Doodlebug collection itself. And these are just some square dies from my stash. And these are the mini icon stickers, excuse me, that I stuck on like a Nina white solar cardstock, and then I fussy cut themselves in there, and then I put foam dots. So I thought it turned out really cute. And then it has a handle on the back, and then when you open it up, I still haven't packaged it all nicely, but I was working on some goodies, working on some cute goodies that I'm gonna put in there. Still not done, but working on some stuff. This is a bag topper. I think these are the finished ones. Where are my finished products? Let me see. I think these are my finished products, guys. So some Polaroids, some tags that I need to put right there, another Polaroid. So I got four of each size, and I used Nuvo drops. This is a coffee cup. I still need to cut the lid for the coffee cup. And then some Maggie Holmes inspired hearts, and I think I need to add some flowers in here, maybe a different flower. I think that would make it perfect, right? And then some more. So I made 4 of each embellishment. Polaroid. And then some bee. Then this is cute. I'm going to put a paper clip in here. I think it would be super cute. Right there. No beauty shines brighter than that of a good heart. Just a flag. Simple flag. All the good things. Another Polaroid, perfect for like a scrapbook layout. A very simple tag with a beautiful paper, cloud paper. Right there, classic Doodlebug design. I love it. It's super pretty. And then, so I was still working on it, but I wanted to share the house box. Polaroid, and this is so cute. How cute is this, right? Ladybug. And then some bows, of course. I like using my punches. Another bag topper. I need to put like a sentiment in there. I was busy. Cute. This is a lawn fawn die. Cute is that? Right there, same die, different paper, and of course the cloud die, which is absolutely adorable. I love the stitching detail on it, don't you? How cute, you guys. So I've been making a lot of embellishments. I just don't know what to do with them. Do you guys have any suggestions? Maybe I should join some swaps. Almost right there. I mean, I've been making layouts, but I make them more than I'm able to use them. How cute is that? Oh, look how cute is this bumblebee. Adorable, right, guys? And then this one is a bow paper clip. So cute. Who wouldn't want that in their planner? Just use pop dots from the dollar store. Adorable. The sun is my favorite, I think. Another bow, paper bow. Another paper clip bow. I like those. It's gonna be a staple in my stash. Always look on the bright side of things. Cute! And then again, this still needs a lid for the coffee cup. Forever is composed of nows. It's a new day. Almost done. And I haven't even used up any of my odds and ends. These are just scraps and... Take it one day at a time. These are all scraps and these are all mostly from the 6x6 paper pad. So this technique, if you have limited supplies, this technique would be good. So just buy the 6x6 and some stickers and then you can make a boatload of stuff. So these are the stickers that I put on the paper and I have yet to use them. See, I have still a lot that I can use in my future projects. I was able to cut a lot, and these are the stuff that I'm still working on. It's just so much fun to put them all together. It's just awesome. How fun is this crafting that we have? Anyway, I hope you guys had a wonderful time. I hope you like my project share. And I hope it inspired you to use your own stash to make super cute stuff, embellishments and everything. And then I hope you like my house box. Anyway, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Have a crafty, wonderful day. Bye!